here at the hotel Regent Marine. I've just gotten to the hotel, so I'll quickly give you a tour. I haven't actually seen the view yet, so we can see it together. Oh, there's not much of a view. This isn't very impressive. Oh, that's not clean. You can't really see the view right now. To be honest, I'm not that impressed with this hotel. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
No, being friends with these brothers is hard. But you're one of them. Yeah.
So hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you.
한국 조금
멀리서 왔다.
네. 부산.
부산 살아요?
네, 부산 쪽. 네.
부산 살아요?
I love it.
Goes down, and there's nothing left to say. When you're so damn done, it'll be okay.
We're at the waterfall. Can't remember the name of the waterfall, but I'll put the name on the screen. Can they hear you? Nah. They should be able to. The water. Yeah, it'll be a bit musty, but it'll be fine. It's really giving island. It's really giving one island like this.
But I don't think that they know the truth. That I'm so anxious that it's hurting my brain. And every single word they tell me, it just drives me insane. I wish that you could see the beauty in you that I see. I know you're struggling so hard, you're struggling to get free.
Oh, they're living in harmony, aren't they? The ducks and the fishies.
Some cute things, you know.
Yeah. ordered. I just didn't press the right button. Thank you so much. Enjoy. It smells gorgeous. I smell nothing. Yes, for me to pay for a friend. This is a green tea. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
And then this side is the peanut. The peanut. And then mandarin is cake. So I recommend the first two, second, third. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I haven't spoken to you in, it feels like forever. We moved hotels 3 times because the first 2 it wasn't up to what we would have liked out of this Jeju trip. We're in a really nice location. We've had a lovely day, went to afternoon tea, went to the waterfall, and now everyone's getting dressed. We're gonna go out for dinner, but we're in a really nice hotel now, and I feel so good because what we've been through, it's just not what we wanted for our holiday, but it's good. Blessing curled my hair for me, and I really like it. Wearing this orange kind of satin shirt with my leather shorts that I recently bought from a vintage store.
I'm outside. Just take the whole thing, bro. Bring your plate closer. Look at us. Let's go.
No, this is not right.
Guys, let me tell you something. My friends are very annoying. Very annoying. And if you don't think your friends are annoying, are they really your friends?
Happy Chuseok, everyone.
Happy Chuseok.
Cheers, blessers. Yeah, darling.